welcome back to another video with Andi May Sing Play. So today I am actually getting a new slime, and also it is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to all of you. I'm getting one from Peachy Bbies, YouTubers that make slime and fix slime. It's actually really cool, Peachy Bbies. And you can buy their slimes that they make. It's really cool. And my mom said I'm allowed to buy 2 slimes, and it's cool. So let's get started. So we have all of these ones. This is cute. This is Cloud. Ooh. Oh my gosh, isn't this one so cute? I know, right? I want to get a pack, but not allowed to. Oh my god. Look at these. No, actually, look at that. Macaron one. Macaron, I don't know. Look at that one though. It's actually so cute. I actually might get that. We have these cute ones. These are so cute actually. We have an axolotl one. I actually really want an axolotl one, but we'll see. We have a bakery one. That's really cute too. Look at the pearl diver. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Isn't it? Look at all of these ones. Oh my gosh. Look at this. There's a diamond pink one. Or this butterfly one. Those are all so cute. Oh my god. Look at the otters. That's so cute. That's so cute. Oh my god, I actually might get that one. I say that to everyone. Look at this. Look at those. Look at those. Look at those. I actually really want the gummy bear. I'm probably gonna get the gummy bear. So let's add to cart. Okay, wait. Add to cart. Okay, it's added to cart. Perfect. Oh my god, how do I get back? Okay, there we go. Ah, I missed my spot. Wait, where's, okay, here we go. So next, I'm dying right now. Look at the firework slime. Look at the panda slime. I want to buy every single one. They're all so cute. Oh, it's look at that mint one with the frog. Oh my god. I don't know. The watermelon's cute too. I love that one. No, which one I really like. I don't know. There's Sunset Sugar. I don't know. I guess I'm gonna pick 2 ones I really like. There's a birthday cake one. Look at these. Oh, that was last. Oh. Look at all of these. Oh my god. Like, these are so cool. I need to buy all of them. All of them. Which one would my sister like? I already picked. Ooh. Oh my god, I'll just pick some and I'll let my mom know. Add to cart. Huh? It's not. Add to cart. Perfect. Now I'm like adding every single one to cart. There we go. Now I'm gonna add this one to cart. Add to cart. Froggy. Perfect. I'm gonna add this watermelon one because I actually really like the watermelon one with the jelly cubes. Oh, how do I get back? Oh, here we go. There we go. There we go. Hey, it glitched me. I added that one to cart. I added those. I added Mint Froggy and all of those. They're all so cute. I actually do not know which one to get. I don't know, but I guess we'll see when I get one. So, see you when I get it. Bye-bye. Alright guys, we're back and it came for like, yeah. So we just got the package. I just got out from school and I just came home and I saw this on the table. So now I'm gonna show it to you. And remember, I got the sour gummy bear slimes from Peachy Bbies. And I got the, like a watermelon one with jelly cubes and cloud slime and clear slime, you know. So now we've got to open this. There, we got it. Look at it. Wait, what does it say? You can never have enough slime. So we're going to add we are adding slime to your collection. So we have some of these foam things. Oh, so we got this, this receipt. And we have the gummy bear clay kit with sprinkles and stuff. That's so cute. I'll check that out later. There's sour gummy bears DIY clay kit. I'm so excited to play with this. Oh, and here's watermelon juice cubes. So first, we're definitely gonna take a picture with my iPad. So yeah, guys, we got my iPad, and now we are going to take a picture. But first, we have to open it up. But first, we are going to do sour gummy bear clay kit. It smells so good, actually. It smells like, ooh. It's like a powdery texture, and it's like, it actually is really good. And it actually smells like sour gummy bears DIY clay kit. So now, we're gonna smooth out the top. We're gonna open